welcome back to the channel again. As you can see, we're gonna do round 2. Chris is gonna actually here. He's gonna take a crack at it. There they are. So John,
special day. What's up? What's good?
round 2, baby. So you guys, as you can see, he got the harness ready. John, he came in a couple days. Looks pretty clean. This is the old one. They already took it out. Looks kind of all beat up already. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. See how this goes. Hopefully, guys, it turns on today.
All right, shout out to Wiring Specialties. If you guys need any harnesses made specifically for your car, let them know. They're the boys. I think they're from Connecticut. It takes about like a week for shipping, but look at the quality that they make, bro. It's like OEM.
Looks
Look at
brand
all
new.
that, bro. All like the OEM clips, everything.
The pigtails all in good tack. Oh,
Yeah.
They'll still sleeping on the. Jesus.
The gunshots, bro. And thank you, Chris, bro, for all the help done. We'll put their website in the description to, you know, to help them out a bit.
What do you think, Chris? Is gonna be a 50-50 today, or you think we're gonna go round 3 next round?
50-50 chance is gonna fix it.
No, this is gonna work. I have a feeling. Let's get
You
it.
think so?
It's good enough.
We're gonna go ahead and try to beat the sun because it's actually getting hot right now, guys. What is it already? Like almost 90 already? 89, 90? So try to finish this as possible. Probably head to a meet if it does run. Take it out for a little cruise.
So this guy is gonna be sneaked into the new harness.
The new one, right?
That rubber grommet.
That one's still good, right?
Yeah, it's still good. This is for the battery that was relocated to the trunk. I don't think we ever showed that.
So John has his battery actually in the trunk, guys, which is pretty cool. I kind of want to do that to my S14. I like how it's set up back here because the piping won't get in the way and everything. I'm running actually a little battery. He's running a bigger battery. Bring it out, baby. Bring it out.
Here it is, baby. Let's put these essentials on the side right here. And then what we got to do right now is get, since the battery's relocated, we have to snake the battery cable through this. So we're probably gonna have to. Damn, how's that even gonna work, bro? I don't even know. I don't know. We'll figure it out though as we go.
Hey, honestly, it looks mint for an old harness.
It's all fresh.
It's fresh. They do a good job.
That's what I'm saying.
Where'd you find that place out? Just on Instagram?
It's been around.
It's probably been around for a while.
Yeah.
All the pigtails. They're all good. Man.
And then they have the, what do you call it? The Pro harness, which is like all nice, like slimmed down.
Oh, and it's like tucked
tucked,
too, huh? Yeah.
He actually brought his wagon today. He had maybe, I don't know if you guys seen the old videos. He did a manual swap on it. He recently just picked up this black one too as well. Look, guys, I have some bad news. It is hot outside, and then my front bumper is kind of sagging a little bit low. It's kind of melting already. You can actually see it. It's not really round anymore. That's crazy. Yeah, it's all melted. It's all bad. I think I'm gonna go order another one, paint it. That one will be more of like for the pictures and stuff, and this one's actually just to have fun in it. But I bought the S14. Hopefully we get this running, get the S13 out. We hit up the meet, a little S14, S13 action. Be pretty sick.
This is a slit that we made. So literally the cable's gonna go through just like that.
All right, I see.
You know what I mean? Nice and
Tight.
nice and tight, baby.
Is that what you actually have to do though?
Yeah, 'cause I think I'm listed right here. Oh, damn, shit's fat, bro. You gonna fit?
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Not just make a bigger hole.
Yeah. Sneak that through.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Wiring Specialties, bro. Already cut into your grommet.
Void to the warranty.
Yeah, just voided the warranty. My bad, bro.
You got another harness. You got the harness from this guy's same website.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same, yeah.
I got it from my dual cam.
You can literally tell them, like, I have a Toyota with the RB in it, and then they'll make it for you.
All right, damn. Then you came in clutch, Chris.
They make customs, right? Like, they do crazy stuff like that.
Yeah, but they usually have like pre-made already.
Yeah.
So you guys look at, we have Chris right here, we got John right here. But you guys notice anything else is missing? Yup. No Sanko, no Abraham.
Little bag.
The little homie, fragile boy. I'm in here.
Line up with the firewall. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, looks better. Okay.
Nice and comfy,
I like
baby.
that angle.
Hey, I'm like this, bro.
You can see down there?
Yeah, I have to run this through right here. Plug this in, but I have to throw in the ECU. This crusty little ECU, maybe we'll change this out in the future as well.
Which one you will get? Kind of brand?
I think I'm gonna go with Link.
Link.
Because I know you guys are Haltech boys.
You just got a Haltech, huh?
Yeah.
So what's up then, bro? Haltech versus Link? What you guys gonna do?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pig noses to plug in right now.
And we only have 3.
3 done.
Got it. Looks like it just goes through here. Kinda break
Oh shit, what drop?
clips.
There's a little tight squeeze right there.
Yeah. Injector plugs.
It's right here, I think. Is it this one? This is on.
These two.
It's almost done here. You see John right now. How's your 2 little...
Bro, I'm fucking struggling, bro. Chris is already done, bro. I'm barely fucking putting this shit back. Mamas.
You're almost done, bro. So you just need to connect that one and that's it.
That's it, bro. And this one.
It's literally 2.
2. So Chris is already halfway done.
You already connected like 14 of them?
Yeah, bro. Only 2.
For 30 minutes.
Yeah, bro. We're finally plugged in.
It's all good. You got it done though.
Alright.
That's all that matters.
You're almost done right there, huh, Chris? How many?
I'm working on it.
Already ready to start it.
The car's already on.
Here we go again.
Been doing all the fucking work, bro.
This guy comes in late. He comes in late and it acts like he like.
It's not even sweating and you're over here fucking.
Look at you. Oh god. We're already pretty much done already, bro. We're about to leave. We're about to go to the meet. This guy, man. God damn, man.
Harness, bro. That shit look fucking factory, dog.
Hey, John, in the edits, put like a clown emoji on this fool's head or something.
Hell nah. We're gonna put the fat emoji on you, bro.
Hey, fool, that's disrespectful already, right? He went overboard on fat emoji. So what are we doing back here, John?
We are putting back the battery all back together, bro.
The first startup?
First startup.
Come on, guys. Fingers crossed. Chris, what do you think? Honestly, what percentage right here you think this car's gonna turn on?
We're about 60%. It's gonna start and run fine.
I'll give this an 80%. Everyone's fingers crossed.
Cross your toes.
Go below is start.
Can you repeat that?
Explain
Can you
everybody
repeat
what
that?
just happened.
So, it still has a misfire.
So it runs a lot smoother. For some reason, it's idling low, but it's all good. We'll mess probably with the throttle position sensor. Chris did the dizzy. It's set to the middle where it needs to be. And Abraham's just looking cute, you know? Know what I mean? That's all that matters, huh?
A waste.
Your ways.
A waste.
Know what I mean? Know what I mean?
So it's off a little bit?
No, well, we're trying to figure out which pins we gotta check.
What are you at right now? At what 1 point?
That's 16 point. Oh no, it's 1.6, huh? I think that might be it.
Someone give this little a gym membership pass, bro.
Fool, honestly, for not in front of. What did I tell you? Not on camera, bro. You're crossing the back.
I'm pretty sure one of those viewers, bro, they were the manager at fucking Shoes Fitness, fool.
Fool, relax, fool.
Planet Fitness, huh?
I'll let you have it. I'll let you have it. Fool acts like this fool's in shape and shit. Don't look defeated yet, fool. Don't look defeated. Trust me, we're gonna get this running.
Chris Fix is watching Chris Fix on YouTube.
Stupid.
See this poser now.
Who's the real Chris Fix?
So we need you guys to share the page 3 times, and
On Instagram.
then buy a merch, and then we give you the 240 for free.
What's for?
Yours 240.
Alright, fool, you sound stupid. Get away from. You ruined my peace, fool. Go over there, fool. Who comes all over here? Go sit down in your chair, bro.
Probably gonna be like, yeah, just share, maybe buy a fucking merch or something like that.
Merch that we don't have. It felt good right now, what you just did. Yeah, literally.
Hey, park in here the S14. I want you guys look. It's looking all nice right now, the S13 S14.
Go drink some water.
I look at the hydrated, bro.
You're looking yellow, bro.
Don't be cut that, bro. Get that camera out of my face.
Zoom in that fool. Help my boy out, bro. For real. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that fool. Help my boy out, dog.
Let's raise the idle a little bit.
So, what are we doing, Chris?
We're gonna raise up the idle a little bit. Little scoop right here. So it idles a little bit higher.
Adjusting. We is adjusting.
Yeah.
Nah, it is hot, bro. It's hot right now. I got swamp ass, bro. I got for real. Oh, I've been working out, fool. I've been working on my glutes.
Come on, baby, come on.
All right, fool. This one's gonna start right here, fool. All right.
Hey,
On the dead homies.
The blue pops, fool.
On the dead homies is gonna start. Sounds better. What we looking for? What we looking for?
A little ratchet.
A little ratchet?
Yeah.
The little ratchet? It's right here.
Let's get serious. We're actually kind of working here.
That's that up.
Guys, we're actually gonna go pick up some parts at Chris's house again. Take a little trip. Like, but other than that, right now we're gonna go actually stop at some food real quick. All of us haven't even ate, so we're gonna eat something.
Everybody eat.
Some ceviche.
Some ceviche.
And then Abraham's pretty much driving. All of us are mobbing because this is the car that has the AC. All of our cars didn't have AC,
Yeah, all our cars don't have AC.
so this is the one that has AC.
But Chris's.
So let's get it, guys. A field trip.
Here, got some ceviche de camarón.
shit fire,
What
bro.
you doing right there, my boy?
Sorry, a little bit of mayo.
You guys, if you guys haven't tried mayonesa with your mariscos, y'all gotta do that. Y'all gotta do that. That should be clutch. Ooh. How that shit tasting?
Bomb.
Yes, sir. So what would you rate it, John? What would you rate it?
Give it an 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. What about you, Chris?
Like a 15 out of 10.
What about you? What about you?
I'll go a 9 out of 10 because nothing's perfect, but 9 out of 10 is pretty bomb.
Hey. I'm perfect. I'm perfect. I'm perfect.
And 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. That's just bomb. 9
9 out of 10?
out of 10.
Very so, very so. Yeah, that shit was fire, my boys. That shit was good. That shit was really good. This spot never misses. Honestly, I would highly recommend eating here. It's Rafa's Mariscos number 2. Number 2, my boys.
We actually came back from Chris's house. What are you doing? What are you doing now, Chris?
We're replacing the TPS sensor. This guy here, that's a used one. Because the car doesn't want to accelerate or anything right now.
This is the one that you're gonna swap out right now, right?
Yeah. Well, no, that's the one I just pulled out.
Oh, you just
This is
pulled
the
out?
used one I
All
have.
right. Other than that, the car sounds a little bit better. You got it sounding a little bit better. Now it just needs to run. So he's also replacing
With a new used cap.
The new cat.
Jeez, hopefully this does turn on. Chris is almost done. I'm about to head out in a bit, but let's see how it goes, guys.
Alright, so finally, after a long process of trial and error, we kind of figured out what's wrong with it. So we've been going through it. We changed out the harness, but everything would run good. We got it to idle good, but for some reason I was getting no throttle response. So now we finally figured out what's wrong with it. After all this damn time, bro. It's been like a week, bro. Just going at it. But if you know about these have the swirl valves for the intake for right here. I guess they're like flaps that open that help with low end torque. I guess this one's bad and it stays shut, so that's kind of why I'm not getting any throttle response. Because I did change out the TPS, I measured it, everything's good. I even changed out the map sensor. This is good as well. And then we were messing with the idle control right here, even with the throttle cable linkage right here, all that's good. And yeah, we were messing with it. We were messing with the swirl valve, and yeah, it was starting to idle even better. I was getting a little bit more throttle response. So to be honest, I'm just gonna delete it. I'm not even gonna try, bro. But thank you guys for watching once again. On the next video, I got some more goodies, so just keep it going. Thank you guys. Y'all take care. Like, comment, subscribe. Late.
나이스!